Susunod natin na putahe, Bistek Panini! Yes! Simulan na natin! Hey! So sa aking harapan, mayroon tayo ditong tinatawag na, of course, beef, na malit ko na kanina earlier. So, pakikita ko lang. Angela, akin na po yung malit. Ito yung ginagamit natin, pang pokpok. Hindi, pero... So, pwedeng itong may ngipin. Yeah. Para lang maging social ang dating, kaya hindi natin tatawaging sandwich, kundi panini. Kapag panini, parang, wow, nasa 5-star hotel ako. Di ba? Parang 5-star hotel. Kaya lang, siyempre, depende sa paggagawa natin. So, lagyan natin ng salt. Lalagyan ulit natin ng salt. Soy sauce. Karamansi na. This time, no need to cut yung katulad kanina. Direct lang. Kasi we need to cut a little bigger dahil gagawin natin ang ating tinatawag na onion rings. Kapag onion rings, hindi mo dapat isali yung maliliit, no? Malaki lang, tulad yan. Ha? Malalaki. Para lumasa, of course, talagyan natin ng kunting calamansi. Because Filipino tayo, you love calamansi, right?
Yeah. Yes.
And then again. Hop. Wow, galing ah. Wow. And black pepper.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Lagyan na po natin ng cornstarch. Pwede mong kalug-kalugin. Yes. Then another bowl. Okay, Angela, Juday, and Ronnie. Get your eggs. You have eggs. Your eggs. And my eggs. Like this, huh? When you hold this one, should be like this. Right? Then, mabilis, huh? Gotta break. Then, open. You have to open this one like push.
Okay,
Hey,
Angela.
one by one.
Nice.
Okay, it's cracked.
Oh, Michelle.
Okay.
Michelle. Yum.
Good! Yes! Very good. Okay.
Oh, wait.
You know how to whisk this one like this. Number 8, like a machine. Yeah. Like a machine, right?
Yeah. Machine.
It's number 3. Number 4. Okay. All right.
Bilis.
Now the eggs there. Okay, ganito gawin natin. Para kumapit po yung ating coat doon sa cornstarch, should be cornstarch, hindi flour. So nilagyan natin dito. So nilagyan natin dito sa egg. Then again, flour.
Double.
I had add more.
Double.
You love cornstarch?
Yeah. Not raw.
Not raw. Good. Your answer is very late. Ito ulit. 2 times. Then fry.
Go.
1 minute.
Dip it. Wait. Sige.
Sabay-sabay. Okay. One more time, pakyawan, kasi they are waiting, you know, they are very hungry. So I have to put all of this because you are hungry also.
Oh,
Yeah, you put it sabay-sabay, right? Yeah, there you are. Fried it. So unahin mo natin maluto yan, kasi nandiyan na. Noong niluto ko itong Bistek Panini sa Queen Sister of His Majesty ng Oman. Ito, naging paborito ng Her Queen Majesty, no? Ang kanyang anak at kanyang sister. Kasi po, biglang sabi niya, Chef, what my snacks today? So it's very easy to prepare. Madali tenderloin steak. Sometimes lamb loin, no? Kaya ang ini-endorse sa akin, sabi niya, sige, Chef, that is my breakfast and that is my lunch and sometimes my snacks. Kasi healthy, gawa ng bagets. They love breads all the time. Kahit anong palaman ng bistek, but of course, bistek Tagalog ang ginagawa ko. But I'm using US lemon instead of caramansi. Ne? Alright. So, look at that. It's really crispy. Mainit na to. Angela, pahingi po yung mantika, please.
No, that's fine.
Yes, mantika ba yan?
Yes.
Yes.
Ronan, drink it.
Okay, thank you.
Opa.
Mainit na. Ooh,
Opa.
mainit na. Yeah.
Yeah. But that's the...
Okay. Medium rare, mas maganda, no? Yung bagets, hiwain ko.
Baguettes.
Bagito, bagets. In English, French bread. Kinakailangan bread knife ang gagamitin natin. Ilagay muna natin dito ang ating tinapay sa panini. Initin muna natin dyan. Yes. Bago natin palamanan.
At wala siyang parang ano po, oil or...
Walang oil po. Okay.
Non-stick eh.
Wala pong oil yan. No? Then, yung juice niya, isi-save natin. Rawani, okay na?
Parang
Okay, can I have? This one?
Nag-ano yung ano?
So, luto na yan. Tama na yan.
Oo,
No?
yung juice niya. Oo.
Okay.
Yun yung parang...
Sarap to.
Sarap po.
Sabi nila, bakit hindi na lang sandukin? Arte-arte pa ni Chef, chopstick pa. Ha? Eh, gusto ko class, di ba? No? Siyempre, pag marunong ka gumawa ng chopstick, parang sabihin na, ang galing-galing niya humawa ng chopstick. Ang laki-laki po. Laki ba ng chopstick?
Disposable. Disposable.
Ayun yung sauce.
Okay.
Sarap.
Wow. Yan, ibuhos mo yon. Yung sauce ay,
Bango. Try mo.
yon.
Brother.
Yan ang mahalaga dyan para lumasa yung sandwich natin.
Bango.
Bango, diba?
Okay.
Okay.
Alright. Tupahin natin ang apoy. Pag nag-sandwich kasi, pag sinasabing sandwich, diretso ka agad, iwala na ito. For me, para mas malasahan, dahil tinapay naman nag-absorb. So yun ang sasalo doon. Lalo siyang lalasa. Okay, gagawa tayo ng parang basket of cucumber.
Basket.
Basket ba yan? Yeah, putulin ko ulit para maging basket. Kinakaya mo itong Parisian baller. Parisian baller. Okay. Hindi ka lang dito, ha?
Ano po ito?
Lagyan na natin yung sandwich. Yeah, that's right. Alright. Wow, bountiful. Okay, now, yung sauce. Kaya mo? Patong mo dyan? Ganyan lang. Okay. Ito yung tinatawag na katas niya, no? Itong pinakamasarap, no? Instead of mayonnaise o ano may ilalagay mo, ketchup, etc., ang ilagay mo na lang ay itong katas niya. Mas masarap.
Better.
Much better. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh. Diba? Oh. Takam na ba kayo? Takam na! Bibitinin ko muna kayo. Huwag kayong alis. We'll be right back! Okay. Gagawin natin to. Lagyan natin si babaw. Oh. Oh. What a nice song!
Ayan.
Alright. So, habang ilalagay natin sa plato, there you are.
Wow.
Wow.
Big time.
Gorgeous.
Wow. Okay, so ipapatong natin ito patagilid. Like that. Yes, yun eh. Ayan yun eh. Yan. Wow, I love this sandwich. It's really elegant. Then, the coleslaw. Coleslaw, ginawa ko na ng maga. Ang coleslaw naman ay napakadaling gawin. Kahit nakapikit, kayang-kayang gawin. Of course, nilagyan natin yan. Para medyo gumanda lang ating sandwich. Okay. Wow. Punasan natin. Kasi nanood sila, kailangan malinis. Wonder? Wow. Then, dalagyan natin na, of course,
Yes!
garnish.
Is it?
This time, I have to place it one piece, but this one chop it around.
Wait lang.
Wait lang. Don't worry, don't panic.
Yun.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, yeah! Oh, yeah! Come on, man! Huwag pumiyok, come on! Go, Dan! Hey! Here it is! Bistek Panini! Natatakam na ba kayo?
Natakam na!
Wes, kain na na! Let's sit down, Dan.
Tayo.
I have to cut.
Miss there, the first one. Yeah.
Kakat ko lang, ha? Oh. Support. Yep.